Mergers and acquisitions, MANDA, involve combining two or more companies to create a larger, more powerful organization. There are several potential synergies that can arise from MANDA transactions, including cost, revenue, strategic, diversification, market power, and improved access to capital. Cost synergies occur when two companies merge and eliminate duplicate functions and streamline operations, resulting in cost savings for the merged entity. Revenue synergies occur when companies cross-sell each other's products or services, expanding the customer base and increasing revenue. Strategic synergies allow companies to leverage each other's strengths and expertise to achieve strategic objectives that were not possible before the merger. Diversification occurs when companies merge and diversify their product offerings, reducing reliance on a single product or market segment. MANDA transactions can result in increased market power, with companies achieving economies of scale that were not possible before the merger. This can result in increased bargaining power with suppliers and customers, as well as increased pricing power. Finally, MANDA transactions can also result in improved access to capital, allowing companies to combine their financial resources and access new sources of capital. This can result in increased investment in research and development, as well as increased investment in new markets and geographies. In conclusion, companies considering a MANDA transaction should carefully consider these potential synergies and how they can be leveraged to create value for the merged entity. Thank you for tuning in to yet another episode of Finance in 2 Minutes. We're here to demystify complex finance concepts and make them as easy to understand as telling your grandma about your day. But before you leave, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our 2-minute finance community. Let's face it, no one has the time or patience for lengthy financial explanations. So stick around for more bite-sized, easily digestible finance lessons. See you in our next video.